Hello kids, welcome to English and today we will learn about the sound F. Okay, so this is the letter F and its sound is F. Now let's say the sound F 10 times. All right. Now let's say some words that starts with F. Flower, flower. Fence, fence. Fan, fan. Fish, fish. Fireman, fireman. Frog, frog. Fever, fever. Five, five. Food, food. Four, four. And now it's time to add F to some words. You can guess. Flower. What it can be? Yes, it's flower. Ends. What it can be? Oh, it's fence. And oh, it's fan. Fan. Ish, ish. Fish, fish. Ironman. Oh, it's a fireman. Frog. It's a frog. And now it's our clap time. Clap each word as you read according to the number of sounds in the word. Frog, frog. Fence, fence. Fan, fan. Fever, fever. Fireman, fireman. Food, food. And now it's practice time. So now, today, you have to look around your house and you have to find 10 things whose name starts with F. Happy learning. Bye bye.